Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll test your knowledge with a quiz on photosynthesis, the magical process in plants that earns them the title of producers. Let's get started. What is the process by which plants make their food? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. Or C. Osmosis. The correct answer is photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants make their food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Where does photosynthesis mainly occur in a plant? A. Roots. B. Leaves. Or C. Flowers. The correct answer is leaves. Leaves contain special cells and pigments that help the plant capture sunlight. Photosynthesis can also happen in the other green parts of the plant to a lesser extent. What gas do plants take in from the air during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. Or C. Hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air to produce energy during photosynthesis. Which energy is captured in photosynthesis? A. Light energy. B. Chemical energy. Or C. Nuclear energy. The correct answer is light energy. Plants capture light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy during photosynthesis. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. Or C. Helium. The correct answer is oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, essential for all living creatures on Earth. Which part of the plant cell is primarily responsible for photosynthesis? A. Vacuole. B. Ribosome. Or C. Chloroplast. The correct answer is chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment, making them the sites for photosynthesis. What is the green pigment responsible for capturing light energy in photosynthesis? A. Chlorophyll. B. Hemoglobin. Or C. Melanin. The correct answer is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy, primarily from the sun, which is crucial for photosynthesis. Where does the exchange of gases happen in a plant during photosynthesis? A. Lysosome. B. Nucleus. Or C. Stomata. The correct answer is stomata. Stomata are tiny openings on the leaves that allow for the exchange of gases, including the intake of carbon dioxide and the release of oxygen. What part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? A. Leaves. B. Flowers. Or C. Roots. The correct answer is roots. Roots take up water and nutrients from the soil, which are essential for photosynthesis. What do plants make during photosynthesis that they use for energy? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water. Or C. Glucose. The correct answer is glucose. Plants produce glucose as their primary source of energy, which they use for growth and metabolism. What is the primary purpose of photosynthesis in plants? A. To make food. B. To produce seeds. Or C. To absorb water. The correct answer is to make food. The primary purpose of photosynthesis is to convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. What is the primary source of energy for photosynthesis? A. Sunlight, B. Glucose, or C. Air? The correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight provides the energy needed for plants to perform photosynthesis. How do plants use the glucose they produce? A. Store it as starch, B. Excrete it as waste, or C. Release it as oxygen. The correct answer is store it as starch. Plants use some glucose for immediate energy needs and store the rest as starch or use it to build other molecules. What are the products of a photosynthetic reaction? A. Oxygen and glucose, B. Nitrogen and oxygen, or C. Glucose and water? The correct answer is oxygen and glucose, the primary products of a photosynthesis reaction. What are the reactants in photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide and water, B. Water and oxygen, or C. Oxygen and glucose. The correct answer is carbon dioxide and water. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Using sunlight, they convert these reactants into glucose and oxygen. That is all from us. Visit www.tutoringhour.com if you need worksheets to test your knowledge of photosynthesis. Smash that like button and subscribe for more fun quizzes and educational content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep shining bright like the sun. See you in the next video.